Hello everybody, I'm Sara.
I'm Melissa, and today we're gonna teach you how to make very things.
Now we take a bowl and a whisk, or better, an electric whisk, kitchen scale, and a tablespoon. 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of flour, and two eggs.
First of all, we put butter
And
then
the sugar.
now we mix the butter and the sugar.
Has to be very creamy.
The butter mustn't be cold, otherwise it won't be creamy enough.
Now we put 2 eggs in a bowl. And we whisk it.
Now it's very creamy.
We add the eggs very slowly.
Now we add flour with an 8 motion. You can add, if you want,
Vanilla flavor. A teaspoon. The mixture is ready.
and now
We take a baking tin and we put in the baking cups, 1 for each hole.
now we take a full spoon of mixture and we push it with a teaspoon.
Right in the middle of the making cup. We put the baking tin in the oven,
Preheated
at 180 degrees.
we wait for 7 or 8 minutes.
Now we whip some cream.
If you like, you can add some sugar. Now we whisk it.
Let's see.
Raising.
Try. No thanks.
Now we wash some blueberries. Ready. Now we turn them to cool them down.
We cut a circle. And then we cut it again in 2. We put the cream. And then the wings. And put the blueberry as a head.
A little magic and the fairy cake is done. Now it's time to eat them.
Delicious!